mambo. Mama loves mambo. Mambo. Hey, hey. I cannot. Hello everyone. How's it poppin'? How's everyone doing? Should be like this. Is this the charge? Should I charge it? Should I? Don't know what to do. Hi guys! Atin yung pagod na char. Dito ako ngayon sa mag-dance rehearse daw, tapos wala pang tao. So, masyado lang ako early, di ko alam. So, I'm early for today. And while waiting, I'm gonna do live again. Cause why not? How are you guys? I hope everybody's doing well. I think it looks good if I do the side bang. My hairstyle. She's not blending well. Should I do it like this and put a pen on it? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what this pen can do. Let's go. Okay. Papa loves mambo. Oh, Mama loves mambo. Ooh, cute. Okay. Better. Hello everyone. How's it poppin'? I look like an old person. I look like a person who came out from the 90s, the 80s. That's the vibe that I want. Hello! I'm alone in the dance studio. Wala pa akong kasama. So I'm alone. May rehearsals lang today. Wala akong kasama. Kaya, nag-live na lang ako. Wala akong kasama. Baka ka, ayaw nyo ba ako makasama? Thank you. No. It's a mix of both, singing and dancing. A bit of dancing. No, not clash dance. See you. You guys go. It's a vacation island for you guys. So, you should visit. You should come. Hello mates, I am Hermione. And this is my hairstyle and the lighting is so bad. Or I just look ugly. That's it. It's me who's the problem, not the hair. I think it's the hair. It is the hair. Papa loves mambo. Oh, Mama loves mambo. Hindi kasi makikitain ako, jowa ko. Chares! Agay! Kahit wala naman, ang sakit ng singaw ko, guys. Hindi ako makangiti. Hindi ako makapagbuka ng malala ng bibig sa bibig ko. Wala akong kasama pa. Waiting pa. I'm alone. I can't live if living is without you. I can't breathe. I can't breathe anymore. I can't live if living is without you. I can't breathe. I can't breathe anymore. Hi. Pangit ang lighting dito. Saan ba maganda? I wanna look pretty. Here? We are the lost girls. Cause we are born to be pagod na. Mabuti ay ko di ko magbisaya. Gusto na mag-English. Mamandi ay naman. I don't understand the lighting and everything. It's look at that. Look. So stressed. Which, my God, they look like a ghost. Look at that. Really? Shout out sa mga nanood. How are you? Feeling ko kunin ako ni nerd sa ilaw. Wait lang. Ang ilaw, it's so bad. It should be like this. Here's better though. Maybe I could put this one here in the middle where there is no light and stuff, but I'm in front of the aircon. Better. Still not better. I don't know na lang. I don't know. I give up. I give up trying. I tried, but didn't work. It's not for me. The lighting's not for me. Not for me. Ayun, kakainis. Vlog ulit when? We'll see. What's up with the lighting? My God, I hate drugs. I don't know. So, really? Better. No, it's not better. Ay na. Wait lang, wag na. Nasistress na tuloy. Ayoko ma-stress. Nasistress ko lang sarili ko. Kakainis. I'm stressing up myself. It's not good. It's not healthy for your health, Angie. As a Libra, stressing on some stuff that are out of our control. Now I'm gonna wait. It's already 5 p.m. 5:30. Nobody's still here. Okay, now I look like a ghost, so never mind. Don't mind me, guys, kung ganito na ako. It's my problem. Hey. Pag-review na dira, oy. 'Di, 'di. 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 ' I look like a ghost. My God. Do I look like this? I don't look like this earlier. Hello? Why am I stressing out? Pag dito, maganda naman. There. Huwag na ganyan. Oh, okay. Now I get it. Arte-arting cellphone. Ito yung light. So, dito yung light. So, light na to. Ito na yung light. Okay. Now we're talking. At least I look like human. I'm like, wala na naman. When the sun refused to shine, baby, would I still be your lover? And if the stars refuse to shine, kulot yarn. What is the purpose of me bringing a hat if I'm not gonna use it? I'm just gonna use a clip. Goodness. Say cheese, everyone. I'm gonna take a photo with you. Say cheese. Ay, ba't record? Okay, say hi na lang. Hi! Say hi. I'm gonna zoom into your comments. Say hi. Where's the highs, everyone? You don't want to say hi? Say hi. Good job. Good job. Good job, everyone. And I think this is a vlog already. I guess so. And when the sun refused to shine, baby, would I still be your lover? And if the moon refused to shine, Bye. Good job. I'm so proud of you guys. So proud. Wait, what did I do? Is there something wrong with the lighting? To kanina, klaro yung pimples ko. Ayun pa naman pala. Okay. Weird. I don't know what to sing, and I only have my phone. I don't have any extra phone, so I can't play music. And I don't know much of some songs because I'm terrible at memorizing lyrics. I'm the worst at memorizing lyrics, guys. But if I'm on stage, that's when I remember. But if I'm not, I can't remember anything. That's so weird. When I keep on practicing, I don't remember the lyrics and I always keep on messing it up. And when I'm on stage, I would remember and I could sing it. What's wrong with me? Yay! Hindi ako mapakiss. Bala ka dyan. This is sacred. Sacred yan. Ang lungkot, mag-isa lang ako. I feel like I'm isolated again before going inside sa house ni Kuya. This is us. Walang kausap, walang phones. We have no phones for the entire week. We don't have phones. We can have our books, but tapos na, basa ko na yung buong libro. Isang libro lang yung pwede. So, basa ko na yung buong libro sa isang araw pa. Kasi maano ako di ko titigilan pag di ko natapos. Thank you, guys. Read the article. The article is nice. The context is nice. I am in a place where you're not around. So evil. How do you survive? Me? How did I survive? Siguro prayers. I don't know how did I survive that without talking to anyone. O siguro dahil may Kumu din. So Kumu helped. Helped me from not getting insane. Going insane. I mean. Oh, syempre, kapag babalikin ako kay Kuya sa bahay niya, babalik ako. I like it there. I don't know why. I think for me, some of the housemate doesn't want to go back. But for me, I would love to go back again because I find my solitude there. That's the time where, I get to know myself more. To know what I like and what I dislike. And I love it there kasi the house taught me na I don't need the phone to be entertained. And sometimes, I need myself din pala. I'm better off alone din na kaya ko din pala na ako lang. I became independent there. And house taught me a lot. My solitude there was very, very... The thing that I'm craving all the time is the solitude. The peacefulness without any phones. Communicating with others. Communicating my feelings. I love it. Like, kasi nakakasama ko naman lahat. Nagkikita-kita naman lahat. So, wala ko masyadong na-miss. When the stars refuse to shine, kaya po sa gusto mag-audition kayo. Pero tatagan nyo lang loob nyo. You have to bring your heart, your core values, and your core in general. You have to bring you. And while you are walking there, you should walk by faith and not by sight. So you need God to be the center of your life. And while you're walking with Him. What's my workout routine? First of all, in the morning, I jog for about 2 hours. It's jog and walk. Mix that up. And sometimes when ganado ako, nagsisprint ako. 100-meter dash. Nag-100-meter ako dash 5 times. And then, katapos niyan, pag-uwi sa bahay, nag-workout kami, workout session kami kasi with coach. Irene, it's either Coach Irene, Coach Tony, and Coach Jim. ano yan sila, magkasama yan sila both always. Tapos iba si Coach Irene. And I love them all. And when the stars refuse to shine. Be, Mother's Day bukas pa. Excited kayo masyado. How did you learn volleyball? My mom is a volleyball player ever since, and she's a varsity player when she was in college. There's a Surigao City, and she taught me and the boy a bit. But guys, I'm not that good, huh? I'm not good at all. I just play lang for fun. Not a mom. Guys, I'm not a mom. Magiging mom ako kung magkaanak ako. Wala pa akong anak. Sana magkaanak na ako ng mga 30 ako. Gusto ko may baby na ako pagka 30 ko. Tapos kambal. Gusto ko kambal. Yung anak ko. Para di na masakit. Bumili ka ng aso, Kuya Renz. Go ahead. Mag-beef ka muna. Kaya nga, no, mas inuna ko pa yung anak. Kaya, o nga, no. Baliktad ako, guys. Baliktad. Pero yeah, dadating din yan. Pero syempre, mas gusto ko... Hoy! Jowa reveal, wala pa kang jowa. Nag-anak-anak na yung nasa isip. Nine years ago, introvert or extrovert? 9 years ago, I was extroverted. And then, as I grow old, and while I'm here in this industry, I feel like I'm becoming more introverted. It's so weird. And I'm not like this at all. Not even a bit. When the sun refused. Thank you. Dadating din yan, guys. Hindi kasi hinahanap ang the one. And number one role ko pa naman sa sarili ko. I'm not gonna wait for someone to be the one for me. It's either come and get me, or I'm gonna stay single for all my life. And, I'm just gonna adopt na lang. If ever. That's gonna happen. But I'm not thinking about it anyways. That's my role for myself. And, yeah. Women, you should value your dyan, dapat binavalue yung courtship. Kasi pangit pag dating lang. You're just dating because, you feel comfortable with the person and there's no security na you're gonna marry this person. And for me, courting means that you are somehow dating or talking to this person or entertaining this person because you see a future with them. You wanted a future with them. You wanted to build up a future with them. That's why courting is really important. It's either you come and get me or not. Kaya ganyan. So yeah, that's my view. And of course, along the way, you guys get to know each other. But I don't wanna just date to break someone's heart. I wanna date to marry It's because I don't want to just go out there, date for fun, breaking someone's heart, be someone's trauma. I don't want that. That's so unfair. We don't want that, guys, right? So you date to marry, not date to just have fun. Agree on courting, right? Family is involved sa courting. Dating, hindi. Pag courting, involve yung family. And I want my husband to be close with my family because I value my family a lot. And I love my family so much. So, yeah. I don't know if I'm just an old soul and stuff. I'm so traditional. It's because maybe ganun lang ako pinalaki. That's how my grandparents, my mother, my mom, even my dad, I remember when I was young, always remind me that find someone who will love your family as much as you do. Gusto ko nga, mas mahal pa. If my family loves me, I want my family to love him more. Na mas close pa sila sa kanya kaysa sa akin. Sakit ng singaw ko, guys. Cannot open my mouth. Because I have a open wound between my lips. It's painful. Anong gusto mong business, Angie? Maybe real estate. Because we already have a land there in Siargao. And me and my mom are planning to build I hope, I'm not gonna say it na lang, but I pray that everything will work well in the future. Pinag-iipunan, pinaghihirapan, really worked hard for it, and I hope one day that it will all pay off. Because I work hard. We worked hard, me and my mom. Layo. She's so pretty. I don't know if I am. Nursing. I want to take nursing because I wanted to be a pediatrician. And I love kids. I love to take care of kids. Children. Malapit sa puso ko yung mga bata. And I want to take care of them. And the pre-med that I'm already thinking of is nursing. I fell in love with nursing because of my mom. She's a nurse herself. Such a beautiful nurse. Hello, shout out to my mommy. If ever, mommy, you're watching, I know you're preparing right now for your duty, but hi! Feeling! Aray. Ang sakit. Ang sakit. Anong gusto mo? Guitar? I don't even know how to play an organ. So, maybe, yeah, guitar. I play guitar. That's my first instrument. Wala size na, wala pa rin. Really? Naghihintay, guys. Grabe. Dream school ko is UST. They have great yung nila sa medical field. Curly hair, short hair, can I do both? It's a bit curly right now. And a bit dead. 100% dead. She dead, bro. My hair's dead. Oh, ba't di ka nag-audition? Am I not UP? I think I'm not made for UP, but we'll see. I don't know. I'm not closing my doors. I'm still gonna do exams. To wherever school, I have to take my exams. Thank Thank you. When the stars refuse to shine, baby, will I still be your lover? Ouch! It's so painful. So you have a wound. I still be your lover. Na 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 na. On the stars refuse to shine. Hello, sunshines. I am going to call my manager in a bit because it's a bit late and I don't wanna waste my time because malayo pa yung uuwiin ko and busy pa ako tomorrow. Thank you! Ano bang gusto kong nakapagdamit? Siguro yung parang mukha kong sundalo. Yung fitted. Kagaya nito. Tanggalin ko na lang ito. T-shirt. Kagaya nito. Yung parang, kasi malamig lang. Kaya nag-shirt ako. Kagaya lang nito. Para kung... Whee! Yung parang sundalo lang. I love to look like a soldier. Strong and lean. If the stars refuse to shine, you guys, apakagaling nyo mambola. Ay, ba't dito wala masyado? Ang weak talaga ng left arm ko. Ba't ba? Hello? Ay, dapat pantayin ko. My goodness, di pantay yung kamay ko, guys. Or dahil bali lang to, di ko alam. Same lang naman. Or dahil mas... Ayan na. 1 and 2. Look at that humps. I worked hard for it. Grabe yung push-up ko dito. Thank you! Thank you to Kuya Drew. He's the one who styled me there. The sun refused to shine. Kailan pa ba ako magre-rehearse? Gusto ko nang umuwi, yeah. What's madaot? Madaot in us is a negative word. What's that? What's your language? Oh, what's your dialect? It's a negative word sa amin, sa Bisaya. Medyo parang pag ano na nga, pawig na nga yung hair ko, guys. Sorry na, pasensya na. I think my hair needs... She needs life. She needs light. She needs air. She needs stress-free. She needs everything. Secret. You guys will see. Okay. Kasi sa amin kasi, ang daot, it means, sa Bisaya, sa Surigao nun, ang daot is, nun sa naman ka, uy, daot naman ka. Parang, you're going backwards. If sa tingin nyo, if you're going up, you're going backwards, you're flipping over, and it's a bad sign, and it's not good. So yeah, yun yung meaning sa Surigao nun. Oo, magniniyog nga ako eh. Not just right now because I have work. And maybe after ng show, after ng 15, that's when the time I could get some rest. And my hair can get some rest. My face can get some rest. I don't want to put makeup on. I've been putting makeup on for the past 3 weeks. And I'm tired. It's heavy. And I'm so dramatic. I'm sorry. As OA, your friend is super OA. Dramatic. That's me. Yeah, sira. Thank you, Kuya Ken. Bisaya pod ka ay Kuya Ken, diba? Oh, what else are we going to talk about while I'm waiting? We aren't here. What am I gonna do? Why am I alone? Not a bad word. It's just... its meaning, it's just negative. It's not a bad word. It's just negative. That's all. Bad word kasi is J-A-W-A. Y-A-W-A. That's bad word. That's cursing. But daot kasi it's not cursing eh. So it's not a bad word. It's just negative and stuff. No!